Okay, so we're back here on the 240Z project, just kind of bringing you up to speed. What I did was I prepped this whole inside. I got it all DA'd, and then I primed it with some of my KD3000 direct to metal primer. And then after that, what I did was I seam sealed all my seams. You'll notice that the seam sealer is two different colors because they didn't have enough of one color. It's the same seam sealer, just in two different colors, but it does the job anyways. So what I do to make it look like it's a factory brushed seam sealer is I put it on with a caulking gun, and then I use these acid brushes that you can buy in mass, and I brush my, my seam sealer in. And that's what gives it this this kind of brushed look. I mean, inside of here, I don't know how much you really see, but like when I do the underneath of it, and then I paint it and prime it, it'll have a very much a factory look under there. So for me, it's all about the details. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to mix up a little KD3000 with more reducer to make it just a sealer. I'm gonna lay some red sealer down, and then I'm gonna spray my orange in here and clear it, and then the inside of this will be pretty much all set. So watch along. right, folks, so there you have it. The entire inside of the 240Z project is now complete. Okay, so, you know, as you saw in the video, we prepped it from steel all the way up to paint. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Any questions you have, please address them to me in the comments below. I also have some links there to everything that I use. So thank you for tuning in, and good luck on your project.